Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day and welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can get more views than Snapchat. So be sure to hit that like and subscribe button before we start this video because it helps our channel to grow and you guys can get notified when our new video releases as well. And watch this video until the end if you guys want to get more views on your Snapchat as well. So let's start the video. So the first thing is make sure your story is set to everyone so that everyone can view it, even those people except your friends or the people you have added as friends. So for that, click on your profile, go on the setting. After you go on your settings, scroll down until you see view my story. Put it on everyone by clicking on it like me, so everyone except your friends can also view it. And after you do that, what you can do is upload a story, and that way you can get more views. And the other way is doing shout out for shout out. So what shout out for shout out is basically I take a random photo over here and I tag one of my friend over here, and after I tag him I post it in my story. So once I tag him and post it in my story, he's gonna get a notification saying I have tagged him on my story. So once he see this, he also might tag me in his story. By doing that, what advantage we have is like I'm sharing my audience with him and he's sharing his audience with me. So once he tags me in his story, his audience can and tap on my name and go to my story, or he can just post my story in his story since I've tagged him, and this gives him the permission to post it in his story as well. So that's basically what shout out to shout out is. It's like sharing audience, and if the other person has like some kind of private story feature, then I can get a lot of view from that as well and get a lot of audience from that as well. Another thing I can do is post my story on Spotlight. So basically many people do not know, but if you post a video on Spotlight, then you get a lot of views. I mean a lot of views. So what Spotlight feature is, it's basically like a TikTok but Snapchat version. You can click on this icon over here and you can see multiple videos of people like this. Swipe up, like the video if you like it as well. It's basically like TikTok, as you guys can see, and you guys can get a lot of view doing this. So basically how you guys can post a video over here is just like take a random video. So let's say I'm gonna post this video on my Spotlight. I can click on this three dot, click on edit snap. Now I did edit snap because I took this video from my memories, but if you are just recording a video from your Snapchat's camera, you can do this as well. Click on this button, and as you guys can see at the top there, it says Spotlight, submit your best video snap. Click on it, okay, and send it. And once your video is gonna be added to Spotlight of Snapchat, you're gonna get a lot of random people to view it, and they can also just hop into your profile and view your story. At that way they can increase your views as well. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related with this video, feel free to comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day.